Your license is not only suspended, it's been canceled. Okay, since last year of 2022, January. I'm done talking. Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel.
Okay. So when he's done fucking, he has my car.
Don't resist. Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, I don't find you. I'm gonna find when I get the fuck out of jail. I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
On the 21st of August 2023, Orlando PD conducted a traffic stop in Orange County, Florida. 3 independent legal bases justified the stop: unregistered vehicle, illegal tint, and failure to yield.
Can you please lower down your windows? All of them? Thank you. You got a license? Thank you. Is this car registered to you? This car's not registered at all. You have a driver's license? How is that a driver's license?
Yeah, or can you change this to a
Is this car registered to you? Give me your registration, man.
And consider that 69 equals 6, right?
What's up with the attitude? The attitude is crazy. Scared of what? Scared of what? Tell me what you're scared of. Why? Because what? What I do? You scared because I pulled you over. Your tag is not registered. The vehicle's not registered. Your tint's in the dark, so I don't know who's in the car. I attempt to pull you over there, and you're just driving. So, of course you did.
I'm serious.
All right. Just turn off your car. Turn off your car. Relax. Relax. It's not that deep.
I think you have an attitude. I pulled over. I didn't try to run from you or anything. If you put my lights over there, I didn't see you.
Okay.
I apologize.
Okay. So, you gonna pass me your registration? Ma'am, can you lower your window for me, please?
This is what I have.
Cool. All right. So, if you got any issues about what just happened or a little transaction, you talk to my sergeant over there, okay? If you're in your feels. Give me a second.
I think because she just said that she didn't see his lights go further on, but she just told him I wasn't trying to run from you unless she pulled to the side, but I think they just had to each other, but I think she's fine. I think she's just shaking up a vehicle. I think she's fine.
Was the car registered to you? It was registered to you? Is this a new, you just bought this? You transferring over your paperwork?
10969660.
Hey, you see other windows? Oh, Lord. How y'all see on these windows? Hey, it's dark.
What I'm saying here?
Golly.
You know that's
like,
right.
that's like 35% or something like that, bro.
She didn't see my lights.
4930.
When did you do it over there?
Silver Force.
Don't talk to don't talk to me like I'm your man. Don't talk to me like I'm your man, because I'm not your man.
I'm not talking to you like
So
that.
lower your voice.
I didn't even
Lower
yell
your
at you.
voice.
Now I'm yelling because
Lower
I'm
your
mad,
voice.
because you're rude. You're very rude. Let's record you.
It's all recorded.
Yes, I want to record you because you're rude. Like, you're so
Do your thing,
rude.
do your
I'm
thing.
just trying to ask you a question. You have animosity?
Yeah, go down one.
I feel like you have animosity. I have eye problems.
Eye problems don't warrant for illegal tint.
What's your first name? Tori.
Listen, I understand you have eye problems, but that's something that you're going to have to get worked out with your doctor for them to give you paperwork to give to DMV. If you have, that's something to do with DMV, okay? But first off, I'm just going to let you know now, you're going to continuously get pulled over because of your tint. This tint should never be, just like how our patrol car is, it should never go past this line right here. You see that black, the AS1 line? Yep, you should not. Your tint should never be past that line.
And we're supposed to be able to see it from the outside.
Yeah.
I can't even see the AS where the line is right here. There's little letters that say AS.
If you go on the highway, you're definitely gonna get pulled over by FHP nonstop. And the kind of car you're driving, I'm gonna tell you now, you will get pulled over. Okay, your tint, you're gonna have to work it out. If you bought it this way, I'm gonna tell you now, just go get it changed, all of it, because you're gonna. And I'll be quite frank. If you and whoever it is, the police having a particular banter, if that person decides, they can give you a ticket for all 4 tickets plus that one, so that's 5 tickets you'll get just
every single window can be ticketed.
So just know that can happen, and if you don't want to have to pay $100 and something, no, I'm not saying I'm not talking about him. I'm just talking in general, right? So if you don't want to get ticketed for all of this tint, you need to go see somebody to get it to the legal limit. And this thing, the front one, you will get pulled over non-stop, because that's the first thing we'll look for, because we can't see in your car. So that's you're already targeting yourself just by that. So it's up to you. Try to get your medical paperwork and take it into DMV and say, hey, you need this because of your situation with your eyes, and it's something that they can add onto your file whenever you get pulled over. But if not, you're gonna get pulled over all the time, guaranteed. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it, especially if you go out of town and you're driving up and down the highway.
Yeah, I'll say FHP will 100% write tickets for this.
Yeah, I mean,
FHP will write every single window a ticket.
This is, I mean, us for the most part, FHP is Florida Highway Patrol. So, I mean,
that's all those guys do is write tickets.
Where y'all headed to the mall?
The Bahama brings to pick up our food.
Oh, so your food over there getting cold.
I have to get the money in for me.
Hope it wasn't an empanadas. I'd hate to have to warm those up in a microwave.
Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, reasonable suspicion of any traffic violation authorizes an investigative stop. FLA Stat, Section 316.29. 3 mandates. Tint must not pass. The AS one-line visible light transmittance law, FLA Stat, Section 320.02, requires current registration. Absence here provided a second independent basis. The driver's license was not suspended, it was canceled. Under FLA Stat, Section 322.01 since January 2022. Cancellation is legally distinct from suspension. It represents full administrative revocation, not temporary. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, 1977, officers may order from drivers out of the vehicle during any lawful stop. The officer's reckless driving allegation lacks on-camera evidentiary support, a contestable factual assertion, FLA Stat, Section 843.02, resisting without violence, requires obstruction of a lawful law enforcement duty. The statute does not criminalize verbal disagreement, emotional noncompliance, or asking questions. Defense counsel would argue the driver's conduct was communicative, not obstructive under Section 843.02. The officer referenced discretionary ticketing tied to driver attitude, a legally significant statement. Contempt of cop enforcement, escalating citations based on demeanor, has been rejected by federal courts.
Okay. And he was like, roll down all the windows. And he's like, what's with the attitude? I said, I don't have attitude. Like, I'm scared of you. I said, I'm scared.
He asked why she was scared, and she like, just like got pulled over.
Okay.
And then he was just, and then when he just came up here, he said he tried to pull me over. I didn't see it. I just seen him right now. I said, I didn't see you. He's like, don't talk to me like I'm your man.
Yeah, I was here for that part.
Like, I don't know how I'm talking to you like that. I'm talking to you like a regular person, a police officer. I talk to my man crazy. That's not crazy. That's very nice.
Well, I would definitely address it when we're done here.
Vehicle 46.
Ma'am, what's going on with your license? Okay. How long ago? It's been quite a while.
That's why I got scared.
I've already just hung up with her. She said she can't have somebody come out now, but she'll have somebody come out later. I told her she can call back and we can have somebody respond with her to clear the house.
I mean, you're scared for a reason. Your license is not only suspended, it's been canceled. Okay, since last year of 2022, January. On top of that, you're driving recklessly in a unregistered motor vehicle.
Can you tell me how I was driving?
Ma'am, I don't have to explain anything to you.
I didn't want to. You say it.
Ma'am, at this point, I don't have to explain nothing to you. You have to listen to me. All right? I'm done talking. Hands on the steering wheel. Hands on the steering wheel.
Okay, I'm putting my phone over here.
Let's go.
You see how he's talking? You see how he's talking to me? Like, what did I do? Did I say anything wrong? He's like, I'm done. What did I do to him?
Close the button. Thank you.
Sergeant, you seen that? Okay. That end of camera.
Yeah, so everybody, I want to make sure you don't tighten up. Ultimately, ma'am, you know you can't be driving, so you should be behind the wheel of your vehicle. Okay, so that's problem one. Problem two is you got soft.
I understand that. It's how he is. He's very rude.
Your feelings. Got it. Come on, let's go to the car.
Put us out with now.
Hold on.
No, hold on. We're done
I'm
here.
telling her something.
You're resisting now.
No, I'm
Now
not.
you're
I'm
resisting.
trying to tell her something about my stuff. So when he's the fucking, he has my car.
Don't resist. Shut up and get in the car.
Bro, I don't find him you. I'm gonna find when I get the fuck out of jail. I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
Stop
I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
Stop.
I'm not resisting. I'm standing here.
Okay, just stop.
I'm gonna find who the fuck you are.
Let me pat you down and make sure you don't have anything on you, and then we'll talk about it. Hold on, please. Where do you stand for?
Call 46, call 40 out.
Can someone else take me to him?
Where's call 40 Alpha?
The one that's arrested me.
It's okay. The camera will be on.
Alright, do you want your friend to drive your car?
No one's driving that car.
I need to tell her about my house, about my keys,
Okay, tell me what
about my phone. She don't know my passcode.
Okay, tell me what you want to tell her. Oh, or I can have her walk over here and
Have her walk over here. I was just trying to tell her before he snatched me out of there.
Okay.
He's rude.
Okay, 1 second. You having it tuned?
Yes, absolutely.
Roll the window down so her friend can figure out what she wants to do with her property.
You have oil?
Huh?
You have oil? My cuff's like jammed up.
Oh no, what's his name? Randy got that stuff.
Here's the thing. The car's not going to be driven because there's nothing that's registered on it, so you need to just start working on.
What's your we got her ID.
I think he does. You have her ID?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, she wants to tell you something about her house keys and her phone and something else.
Were they stuck?
Yeah, you got oils?
I don't. I have WD-40 at home.
Randy has stuff.
Do I go to the window or something?
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna inventory this vehicle.
Sorry. I just
Call Johnson yet?
Huh?
I just belched, sorry.
It's okay.
Did you call Johnson yet?
No.
If you want the phones to go with you, the phones can go with you. It's up to you because you're going to have to get numbers out of it when you're at the jail. She has eye problems. Yes, she cannot see. She has eye problems.
That's not my problem. I didn't cite her for anything like that, Sergeant. I'm taking her to jail because she wants to resist without violence. She's been on suspended license for over a year, and her car is unregistered. I'm sorry. Seems scared, took my sergeant. Echo 911.
Hello.
51 in jail.
Hello.
One Hotel Foxtrot, 1015, car mileage.
Hello.
1 second, I'm on the radio.
Hey, so I need my dress pulled down.
I'm not touching you.
So walk like this.
I'm not touching you.
Walk like this.
I'm not touching you because then you're gonna be like, oh, this officer did this camera's rolling.
Obviously, show me.
I'm not touching
so
you.
my is
Turn around
out.
and walk. Turn around and walk. I'm not touching you. You understand? I'm not looking at you. I'm not touching you. Fix yourself.
You're gay as fuck. Oh,
That's fine. Camera's rolling.
The companion statement, "I'ma find who you are," raises analysis under Virginia v. Black, 2003. Under that framework, a true threat requires intent to place the target in fear of serious bodily harm. Courts frequently classify post-arrest venting as protected expression under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987. The officer's use of a homophobic slur during transport is documented. Misconduct provocation is not a defense. Flaw, stat, Section 943.13 sets minimum standards of conduct. Derogatory language toward arrestees violates that standard. This moment creates exposure for Section 1983 civil rights litigation, regardless of the arrest's legal validity. Vehicle inventory was lawful. South Dakota versus Opperman, 1976, authorizes warrantless inventory search incident to impound. Miranda was not required here. Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, holds routine traffic stops are non-custodial. Miranda attaches upon arrest. Any post-arrest statements without advisement would face suppression challenge.
It's okay. I'll walk with my out. Y'all want to see my pussy? Y'all want to see my pussy? Y'all want to see my pussy?
This way.
Primary officer grade, C+. Stop legally valid. Tint and registration law applied accurately. License status correctly identified. However, informal address, implied attitude-based enforcement, and a documented homophobic slur constitute misconduct. Legally competent. Professionally deficient. Civil liability risk is real and documented on Bodycam. Sergeant grade, B. Arrived, listened, accommodated the driver's property, request. Effective de-escalation at a critical moment. Did not address the primary officer's conduct on camera. A supervisor intervention would have been appropriate. Drivertory grade, C. Knowingly operated a canceled license vehicle, unregistered, for over a year. That is the legal baseline. Initial compliance was correct. Verbal escalation throughout the stop compounded an already difficult situation. Invoking the right to silence and requesting a supervisor earlier would have been the legally optimal strategy. Key lessons. For officers, a valid arrest does not shield unprofessional conduct. The Bodycam documents both simultaneously. Derogatory language creates Section 1983 exposure independent of the underlying arrest's constitutionality. For citizens, the roadside is not the place to litigate. Comply, document, challenge in court in that order. Emotional escalation, however justified, reduces credibility and complicates future legal remedies. Administrative license issues do not resolve themselves. Unresolved, they guarantee future enforcement contact. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.